Are you tired of trying everything to lose weight but not seeing results? Well, what if I told you that your morning routine might be holding you back? Yep, the way you start your day can make or break your weight loss journey. In today's video, I'm going to share the best morning habits that will help you burn fat faster, boost your metabolism, and set you up for success, all before noon. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll reveal a simple trick that can increase fat burning by up to 30%. Let's dive in. Number 1. Wake up at the same time every day. The first habit is super simple but incredibly powerful. Wake up at the same time every day. Our bodies thrive on routine, and a consistent wake-up time regulates hormones like cortisol and insulin, which affect weight loss. When you wake up at random times, your body gets confused, leading to cravings, sluggish metabolism, and even fat storage. So pick a wake-up time, even on weekends, and stick to it. Number 2. Drink water first thing in the morning. The next habit, hydrate immediately. After hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated, and dehydration slows down metabolism. Drinking 16 to 24 ounces, about 500 to 700 milliliters, of water first thing in the morning helps flush out toxins, kickstart digestion, and even boost calorie burn by up to 30% for the next hour. Want to take it up a notch? Add lemon or apple cider vinegar for extra fat-burning benefits. Number 3. Get natural sunlight exposure. Most people don't realize that natural sunlight plays a key role in weight loss. Morning sunlight helps regulate circadian rhythms, which control metabolism and hunger hormones. Plus, exposure to sunlight lowers cortisol levels, the stress hormone linked to belly fat. So, within 30 to 60 minutes of waking up, step outside for at least 10 to 15 minutes, or sit near a sunny window while sipping your morning drink. Number 4. Do fasted movement or light exercise. If you want to speed up weight loss, move your body before breakfast. This doesn't mean an intense workout, just 10 to 20 minutes of light movement like stretching, yoga, or walking. This habit wakes up your metabolism and helps burn stored fat since your body hasn't had food yet. Even something as simple as jumping jacks, a quick walk, or stretching can make a difference. Number 5. Eat a high-protein breakfast. Skipping breakfast or eating a high-carb meal can lead to hunger spikes and cravings later in the day. Instead, start your morning with at least 20 to 30 grams of protein to keep you full and support muscle growth. Great options include scrambled eggs with avocado, a high-protein smoothie with chia seeds, or Greek yogurt with nuts and berries. Protein reduces hunger hormones and keeps you feeling satisfied, so you're less likely to snack on junk later. Bonus tips. I know how frustrating it can be to try everything and still feel stuck in your weight loss journey. But here's the thing. You deserve to feel confident, strong, and in control of your body. That's why I want to share something that can truly help. Midolin is designed to support your metabolism and energy levels, making your weight loss journey smoother and more effective. If you've been looking for that extra push, this might be exactly what you need. Click the link in the description and take one step closer to your goals. You owe it to yourself. Now number 6. Avoid sugar and processed carbs in the morning. Eating sugar or processed carbs first thing in the morning causes a blood sugar roller coaster, spiking your energy, then crashing, making you crave more food. Instead, focus on protein like eggs, Greek yogurt, or tofu. Healthy fats such as avocado, nuts, or coconut oil, and fiber from oats, berries, and veggies. Avoid pastries, sugary cereals, and white bread. They make you hungrier and can lead to fat storage. Number 7. Have a fat-burning morning drink. If you want an easy way to burn fat, try a metabolism-boosting drink in the morning. Here are my top 3. 1. Green tea contains EGCG, which boosts fat burning. 2. Black coffee increases metabolism and energy levels. And 3. Warm lemon water with cayenne pepper helps detox and rev up digestion. Just be careful not to add too much sugar or cream to your drinks. Number 8. Practice mindful eating and avoid stress. Most people don't realize that stress can slow weight loss. When you're stressed in the morning, your body releases cortisol, which encourages fat storage. To avoid this, eat slowly and mindfully, No scrolling on your phone, no rushing. Sit down, enjoy your food, and let your body digest properly. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, take 5 deep breaths before eating or do a quick 2-minute meditation. Number 9. Get 30 minutes of movement before noon. If you can, aim for 30 minutes of activity before noon. Morning exercise has been shown to burn more fat throughout the day compared to evening workouts. It doesn't have to be hardcore. Options like brisk walking, a quick home workout, or dancing to your favorite music all help boost metabolism and improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier to lose weight. Number 9. Get 30 minutes of movement before noon. If you can, aim for 30 minutes of activity before noon. Morning exercise has been shown to burn more fat throughout the day compared to evening workouts. It doesn't have to be hardcore. Options like brisk walking, a quick home workout, or dancing to your favorite music all help boost metabolism and improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier to lose weight. Number 10. Plan your meals for the day. The best way to stay on track? Plan your meals in advance. This prevents last-minute unhealthy choices and ensures you get the nutrients your body needs. Take 5 minutes each morning to decide, what's for lunch? What's for dinner? What snacks will keep me full? Prepping healthy meals means fewer cravings and better portion control, key for weight loss. Try adding just 1 or 2 of these into your morning, and you'll start noticing results fast. Don't forget to check out the product link given in the description. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more weight loss tips, and let me know in the comments, which morning habit are you starting tomorrow?